Good morning, students. We studied about the useful plants, but every coin has two sides. Just like that, though some of the plants and animals are useful to us, there are some organisms which are harmful also. Okay? But they are there. In some other way, they may be useful, but to us, they are harmful. So, one by one, we will study about the organisms, harmful plants. And harmful animals. See here, we are studying first about the harmful plants. See here, the fish died only because some algae are harmful. When the fish was in water, some poisonous algae grow there, because of which this fish died. Second picture, mushroom. Some mushrooms are useful to us. People are using it as a food, but some mushrooms are harmful. We have to wash our hands after touching to that mushroom. Third is nerium. This plant is a nerium, or what we call it in very common plant, kaner. The leaves of this plant are very harmful. We have to wash our hands when we pluck the flowers. They are very harmful if it enters. Next is datura. Fruits and leaves or flower also is a poisonous. In some form, in some wound it is useful, but it should not go directly in our mouth. The next plant is the parthenium. Parthenium grows as a weed where there is a garbage which has a white flowers. This parthenium, when we go through that area, if its pollens touch to our body unknowingly, at that time they cause us the skin problem. They kills the some other plants also, and this plant grow very rapidly. Next is lantana. Okay, this is also called as haldi kunku. It also grows in the garbage area very rapidly and a poisonous plant. We have to wash our hands when we touch to these plants knowingly or unknowingly. So plants like oleander, lantana, these plants have the strong odor. The datura plant is a poisonous. Uncontrolled growth of fungus and algae in water pollutes the drinking water. They may cause us certain diseases also. So we have to be careful about the plants, just like animals also. There are some animals which are harmful to us. See here the picture of some harmful animals: mice, lizard, then cockroach, spider. The bites of some poisonous lizard, spiders, snake or scorpion can cause even the death. It is said that wild elephant, when enters the human settlement, they cause lot of destructions. Okay? So this is about the, very commonly that rat, what they do when they enter our home, they destruct our all the food material. Cockroach, you know it, very dirty. And then lizard also, we have to be careful about all these animals. Okay.